Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing number 162. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 8. 7 here, 8 here makes this our 4. 8 here means this is our 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 here, 3 here, so this is 7. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got no help here. 2, 4, 5. 4 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 4, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 8, 5 here, so 4, 8. We look at this box, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering all 3 of these boxes, so our 9 has to be here. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so that makes this our 8. 2 here, so 5, 2. That 2 and 5 makes this our 4, which means this is our 5, 2. That 5 makes this our 8. 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 6. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this top row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 1, 7. And that 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. And for this bottom row, we're missing a 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.